Hello, welcome back. Today we are making these mandazis. They are so yummy, and this is my dry ingredients. Check the ingredients. I'm writing them on the screen, and so let's mix the wet ingredients. We'll have 2 cups of milk, and in this 2 cups of milk, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I used Blue Band, which is also okay. Any margarine, and 2 eggs at room temperature. Make sure the milk has some bubbles, small bubbles, because of the yeast. And now you're just adding it on the dry ingredients. Add in small quantity, don't add once, so that you may know when the texture that you want is achieved. Just go ahead now and knead until the dough is soft. Now add cooking oil gradually. I didn't measure cooking oil, but you just use your eyes to see if it's okay, and yeah. The dough is ready, and it's not so hard and also not too sticky. This is the best one. So I'm just going ahead and covering it with a cloth, a kitchen cloth, and a tray, so that it can get warm and double in size because of the yeast. As I'm waiting on this side, I'm going to start heating my oil. Yeah, you can see my sufuria pan is here, and I'm just adding cooking oil in. I think this is enough. Don't put too little cooking oil because your mandazis will burn. Now I'm going to oil where I want to knead the dough. I think now it is ready, and it has doubled in size. Yeah, it has, because this was not the size that it was in before. So let's just now cut it into portions and fry our mandazis. Now I've cooked, and it's so yummy. So enjoy your mandazis. Bye. Make sure you subscribe to our channel.